Good morning, students. Now we start our today's class in the subject of geography. And as you know, we learned the chapter water resources. And our today's topic is water deterioration. It means deterioration of water quality. So we are start our today's topic. Water quality refers to purity of water or water without unwanted foreign substance. Water gets polluted by foreign matters such as microorganisms, chemicals, industrial and other waste. It means when the foreign substance melting in water and they get polluted to water, and after that we are not using water in domestic manners or agricultural manners, and the lots of sources of the pollutions of water causes. It is fertilizers, industrial waste, also domestic waste, and that's all the process that got polluted our water resources. So it is very annexity matters. The water get polluted after that. So what we do for this? We must to be try for water conservation and management, because water is very important resource for humans. Then we are look about the water conservation methods. There are India, especially our country, India has take quick steps to make effective policies and laws and adopt effective measures for its conservation. Especially we look about that methods. Besides developing water saving technologies of methods, attempts are also to be made to prevent the pollutions. There is need to encourage watershed development, rainwater harvesting, water recycling and reuse. We are also learned in previous classes to watershed and water management process. So now we are look about which types of steps we take to water conservations and management. Then our first steps is the prevention of water pollution, and it is we try to know in which causes to water get more polluted. So there are first industrial waste and second domestic waste. Mostly our rivers, lakes got polluted to when the industrial waste melting in a river, particular river regime. When we use fertilizers in our agriculture fields, then fertilizers also going to our river regimes and making polluted of our water resources. So Central Pollution Control Board CPCB, in a collaboration with State Pollution Control Board, has been monitoring water quality national aquatic resource at 507 stations, the American stations, and data obtaining from these stations show that organic and bacterial contamination continue to be a main source of pollution. Rivers, the Yamuna river, a most polluted river in a country between Delhi and Etawah, Yamuna, and our largest river in our country, Ganga, is also more polluted river, but Yamuna is more than comparison of Ganga. So other severely polluted rivers are the Sabarmati at Ahmedabad, the Gomti in Lucknow, the Kali and Adyar, the Kaum entire stretch, the Vagai at Madurai, and the Musi of Hyderabad, and the Ganga at Kanpur to Varanasi in our region also. Kanpur, why? Because there are lots of industries and they are giving their total waste on Ganga rivers, melting there. So groundwater pollution has occurred due to the high concentration of heavy toxic metals, fluoride and nitrates at different parts of our country, and also the legislative provisions such as the Water Prevention and Control Pollution Act 1974 and Environment Protection Act 1986 have not been implemented effectively. You know the government process, the laws are only made but not implemented.